Hello everyone, good morning. I am Kaviselvam Ganesan and I am going to show and explain about my paper airplane project. I have used two main factors in my paper airplane project. Firstly, Bernoulli's principle has played an important role in my paper airplane. In fluid dynamics, Bernoulli's principle states that an increase in the speed of a fluid occurs simultaneously with a decrease in static pressure or a decrease in the fluid's potential energy. The principle is named after Daniel Bernoulli. Let's see how Bernoulli's principle works on a paper airplane. When a paper airplane moves through the air, the wings push against the air so that the airflow is slower under the wing than above it. As a result, Bernoulli's principle tells us that there will be more pressure on the bottom of the wing than on the top. The slow, high pressure air underneath the wing creates lift. Next, we will move on to Newton's third law. Newton's third law describes for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. The statement means that in every interaction, there is a pair of forces acting on the two interacting objects. The size of the forces on the first object equals the size of the force on the second object. The direction of the force on the first object is opposite to the direction of the force on the second object. Forces always come in pairs, equal and opposite action-reaction force pairs. Alright, let's see how Newton's third law works in my paper airplane. Thrust is the forward force on an airplane. Arm muscles throwing the paper airplane generate initial thrust which send the paper airplane forward. Drag is the force that slows the plane down as it pushes against the air it is moving through. It is a kind of friction and is also called air resistance. It acts in the opposite direction from thrust. Thrust must be equal or greater than drag for a plane to move forward. Hence, your paper airplane slows down as the energy from the initial thrust is used up. The more streamlined an object is, the less drag it has. Gravity is the force pulling the plane downwards. It acts on the mass of the plane, giving it weight. Lift is the force that pushes the airplane up, acting in the opposite direction of gravity. Lift is produced by the wings and the air flowing around them. The tilt of the airplane and the angle of the wing means that air flowing off the wing flows downwards. This downwards force pushes back up against the wing and lifts the wing because of Newton's third law of action and direction. Let's see how my paper airplane fly. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Have a nice day.